I'm in a field today, well, a footpath at the side of a field near the Toton Lane Tram Terminus. I've come to have a look at the area around here. There's a massive housing estate planned for this area on the fields around here between Chilwell Lane and the A52. Still fields at the moment, but I thought I'd come down and get the drone up before the bulldozers move in. As well as a housing estate, there's going to be a school as well, and I imagine maybe some retail amenities. Not exactly sure, but let's get the drone up and have a look from my eye in the sky. Hope you enjoyed that little fly around the area. This is social history in the making. Hopefully I can come back in a few years' time and see the change that's taken place in the fields around me. As always, please do like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about it, it really helps the channel to grow. Click on the little thumb button just below the screen, doesn't cost a penny. And I will speak to you very, very soon. And birds are still at it, chirping away.